So silver has been now consolidating inside of this channel, or I should say this wedge pattern. And again, a wedge pattern is simply, and I went over this yesterday, a wedge pattern is simply a move up, a move down, a move up, down, and it's basically getting tighter and tighter. It's consolidating. And what that tells you is that eventually you will either break down or you break out. Breakout would be above this level here. Upside is somewhat limited to this line here. A breakdown is down to this level right here. Now again, ultimately my long-term view, if you look at the big picture on silver, it is a bullish chart. However, this chart in the near term is more neutral. And when I say neutral, what that means is it's a no touch. In other words, you don't have a good enough read with this chop to understand, is it going to break up here or is it going to go down here? Now, down the line, if you told me, hey, Gareth, my time horizon is 6 months, 12 months, 18 months, 24 months, well, then you know what you do? You say, well, why am I looking at this tiny time frame? Instead, what I need to do is go to my larger time frame. Now, if we go to our larger time frame, what we see is a much bigger channel formation, which again is in the upper ranges. You had this big move up, and all this is consolidation, and inevitably, whether it goes here or here, eventually it goes up here. And that's the key, guys. Time frame is very, very important. If you're a day trader, you're generally trading off the smaller time frames, the 5-minute, the 10-minute, the 15-minute, the hourly. If you're a swing trader, you're probably focusing on the daily. If you're a longer-term investor, you're looking at the weekly chart and the monthly chart, because that's going to give you the bigger move. The problem with looking at a too small time frame when you're really investing for a bigger time frame is that you're going to get whipped out of the trade. You're going to see some little move and you're going to get scared and exit that trade when it's just a little move inside of the bigger pattern formation.